guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Issa Filipina, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to fake big lips. And as you can see, I don't have lipstick or lip gloss or anything on, but I did put bliss sticks to avoid having chapped lips. And so I did put a little bit of makeup on me. And the last thing that I want to do is just to put lipstick and lip gloss, or if I need some lip gloss. And first I'm going to make a line using lip pencil from Vintage. There you go. Is it focusing? Okay. So this color is Mocha, and you want to, it depends on you, because sometimes I don't use lip pencil anymore because sometimes I feel like lazy to do it. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna make a shape on my lips right now. I always make a V over here on my, I forgot what you call this part right here, like Cupid's bone, something. And as you can see, I have a really visible mole, and I always have a hard time with it. But let's do it. Oh my gosh, that's so huge. So it looks so huge, I guess. So I'm gonna erase some of the lip liner over here. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. And next step is I'm gonna put NYX matte lip cream from NYX. There we go. Oh, this one's actually dry. And then after that, I'm gonna put Anastasia Beverly Hills color Ashton. And after that, look like it's massive. And then after that, I'm gonna put a little bit of shimmer. What color should I put? Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit of Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. Color is 75 Fighter. So this one, if you put it in your lips, it's gonna dry out, and then if you drink something or eat something, it doesn't come off. Because some lipstick or lip gloss like this one, if you drink something directly to the bottle or the water glass or coffee mug, your lipstick stains in the coffee mug or the water bottle, so water glass, so we don't like that. And I don't like the shape that it looks right over here, so I'm going to erase some of it in the middle. Does it make any difference? Then after that, I'm gonna put a liquid matte metallic from Flower. That I'm going to put a little bit of why do I say it like that? I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation all over my lips. Go. So that's how we make our fake big lips. And so we use lip pencil, lip gloss, a lot of lip gloss and a lot of lipstick to put a lot of layers to make it look like it's plump. And that technique is you have to know what kind of shape you want for your lips. And also I want to show you what I got from Wish the last time. I bought this for my upcoming maternity shoot and it looks super cute. I was so torn to pick between the violet quartz or this one, but I ended up buying this because it's white, and that time I still didn't know what theme I'm going to choose and what color I want. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and please comment down below if you have questions about this video. And I hope you guys follow me on my social media account, Instagram and on Facebook, Issa Filipina. And I hope you guys subscribe on this channel, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!